Hey guys! Welcome back! Today, we'll be doing a July favorites and fails video. Ang tagal ko nang hindi ginagawa yung ganito, but I think this is a good time kasi meron akong top products talaga. I'm keeping it down to around 10 lang na products na fails and favorites para hindi masyadong mahaba yung video. And ito talaga yung mga top. So if you're interested to know what I recommend to you guys, ano yung mga pinagagamit ko for the last 2 months, I think, around ganon, just keep on watching the video. So first off, start off tayo with skincare syempre. And I have the Olay Eye Cream. Yung purple is may retinol, so it's for nighttime use lang. And then yung isa is more for daytime use. So itong dalawang to, I love it very much kasi ito yung nag-help sa under eyes ko nung meron siyang, may mga dry patches. May nangyari sa akin ganun before. I'll post a picture here, pakita ko sa inyo. And nung ginamit ko to, in 2 days or 3 days, nawala siya agad. And naging problema ko siya for around mga 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Kaya, I love these products and holy grail ko na talaga sila. One tip na ginagawa ko dito is, aside from applying it sa eye area ko, I also apply it dito kung saan nagkaka-wrinkles dito. Kasi yun yung mostly yung ginagawa nito eh. So, it would be helpful also for those areas. Anti-aging tayo. Next naman, these are moisturizers na ginagamit ko pag naghihingalo talaga yung skin ko. So we have here yung Dewy Cell Cica Balm. So this one, nireview ko na siya before. And ito, meron siyang parang pearls inside or mga beads na, ewan ko, parang I use this sa gabi pagka alam ko ang dry ng face ko and paggising ko sa umaga, nararamdaman ko pa rin talaga yung moisturizer sa face ko and na-moisturize niya talaga yung skin ko. So, I like that one kasi mas thicker yung consistency niya. Medyo greasy yung feel You know, use it with caution. Gamitin niyo siya when you can be greasy. And then ito namang Summer Fridays is a little bit expensive. Ito yung jet lag mask nila. I like this one kasi ganun din yung purpose niya pag naghihingalo talaga yung skin ko. Isipin niyo yung pag nasa plane kayo for hours, di ba usually yung dry nung face niyo or pag nasa aircon kayo na matagal, ganun yung nangyayari, di ba? Nagda-dry, nagkaka-dry patches. This one, it does a good job of parang revitalizing your face talaga. Kaya yes, I love also this Summer Fridays na jet lag mask. Before tayo mag-proceed sa next favorite ko, magfe-fail muna tayo and we have here yung e.l.f. Putty Primer. So, hype na hype to ng mga YouTubers kahit sa ibang bansa. So, binili ko na, I fell for it, and then, hindi ko siya gusto. Kasi meron siyang consistency na parang ang sticky niya doon sa eyelids ko. As in, hindi ko alam eh, parang it's not working for me. Ang dry-dry niya, ang greasy niya, ang sticky niya, na, ewan ko, dry na, sticky, greasy, parang hindi sila nag-ano, pero ganun yung feeling niya for me. And I find na hindi nagbe-blend well yung eyeshadows on top of it. So yeah, it's a big fail for me. I don't like it at all. For the last few weeks, I found myself using the Happy Skin Serum Foundation, pati itong Makeup Forever Reboot Foundation. Reboot, di ba? Reboot Foundation. Kasi I like foundations na merong serum aspect, na very healthy looking, like the one I'm wearing now. Actually, I like this also. It's the one from BLK, dun sa bagong Daydream line nila. But I need more testing pa, kaya wala pa siya dito sa favorites ko. Yeah, I like foundations like that. And if you're looking for a natural finish with good coverage naman, not high coverage, but evening out of skin tone, yeah, it's buildable, lightweight, yung mga ganyan na kinds of foundations. These are foundations na ganon. And I found myself reaching for these two talaga over and over again. So, yeah. For concealer, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung formula ng BLK and Happy Skin. Very similar sila pagdating sa coverage, sa thinness, basta yung formulation, it's very similar. One thing lang na ayoko talaga is yung shade range nila. So I hope they extend these shades para naman mas diverse yung makakatry and mas flexible din for us na mahanap yung tamang under eye and face shade natin. But formula-wise, if mahanap nyo yung perfect shade nyo dun sa dalawang shade range nila, hindi ko minimin yun na. I like the formula. Very natural. It has the right coverage, not full coverage again, but it can make your under eyes look better naman. Set nyo lang kasi it has skincare properties also, which we love also. Yay! So yeah, I like these two concealers. I found out about them in the past month. Pero shade range. Shade range, shade range, shade range. Next on my favorites is yung mga Strokes Beauty Lab na eyebrow products and yung eyeliners nila. Actually, matagal na tong mga products na to, but walang mintis talaga. Every time I use eyeliners or I do my brows, laging yung Strokes yung ginagamit ko kasi the quality is on point talaga. High-end luxury quality, take note of that. Pero yung presyo niya, very local lang. I know it's not the most mura na products, but I think it's worth it. Everything is high-end feel talaga, and the quality is, yeah. Next on my favorites is the Paul Lash Lash Glue. So ito, bagong tube na kasi naubos ko na yung dati. And I like na it lasted me for a good few months talaga. Kasi usually yung problem ko with lash glues, yung yung packaging, diba? This one, it has a stopper. So mas matagal siya bago naging problematic for me. And mas na-utilize ko yung product. Also, I like the applicator. I like yung strength nung glue. It's long-lasting, hindi ako nagkaka-problem, hindi umaangat yung lashes ko. Tapos, it's easy to remove with face oils like yung Zero, yung from Vanilla ko. Kaya niya i-remove yun, hindi nadadamage yung eyelashes ko underneath. Also, bumili na rin ako ng bagong stock ng mga eyelashes nila. Sobrang ganda ng lashes nila. Mas i-recommend ko sa inyo yung mas natural line. Yung Dam, tsaka God, yun atang kinuha ko, I'm not sure. Ay, di, Dam tsaka Slay, those are my favorite na lash styles. So, ayan sila. I got 2 styles na lang. Kasi before, I have yung parang sampler, yung madami. Tapos, yun. At least na-try ko lang. Tapos, nakita ko yung gusto ko. And now I have this. They're very affordable also. Parang around 300 ba? Mga ganyan. Hindi ako sure. Lagay ka na lang dyan. Pero ang dami mo na makukuha. And quality is also very, 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 very good. Natural, very fluffy. Ganda. Kung nakikita niyo yung mga pinopost ko ng mga glam looks, usually ito yung ginagamit ko doon. Now, for another fail. One big fail for me is the BLK Brow Lock na brow gel and brow something. Kasi I don't like the consistency at all. Okay lang sana yung color, pero kasi ang ang waxy niya, and yun yung pinaka-ayoko pagdating sa brow products kasi it flattens the hair. It doesn't look good, mas nagmumukha siyang parang drawing. So yeah, it's a no for me. I don't recommend it at all for you guys. Next na favorite ko, hindi na sila bago at all, and alam ko maraming may favorite nito, but I just have to say it because sobrang sila yung ginagamit ko on a day-to-day basis, or every time magme-makeup ako, for some reason sila yung inaabot ko. So it's the Get Ready With Me Milk Tint and Velvet Flush from Detail Cosmetics. So for the Milk Tint, alam niyo naman, syempre cheesecake yung favorite nating lahat, and yung purpose ko for this one, I love putting it sa loob ng bag ko. Hindi ko na nga mahanap kung nasaan yung cheesecake ko. It's somewhere there sa isa sa mga bags ko. But yeah, I put it there kasi pag kailangan ko mag-touch up, at least yun lang yung dala ko. As in, yun lang yun nasa loob. So, lagay sa cheeks, lagay sa lips, all around na siya. Very flexible yung color niya. So, kahit anong makeup look ko, if I need to touch up, that would work. And then, pagdating naman sa Velvet Flush, usually I like layering it. So, lalagyan ko nung Velvet Flush and then I put powder on top na very light na lang. At least para lang mas matagal siya mag-last. And then, for the Velvet Flush, of course, yung favorite ko is Cotton and Lucas. Yun pa rin yung dalawang nire-reach for ko kasi ayoko na mag-isip. But today, I tried something else kasi sabi ko lagi na lang yun yung ginagamit ko. And it's the shade na Bow. Diba? Ganda pa rin naman. Very natural pa rin. So yeah, Velvet Flush from Detail Cosmetics and Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Milk Tint. Yun pa rin talaga are the best multi-use products for me. And last, my last discovery and favorite is the Forencos na tints. Yung tattoo matu something. Nalagay ko dyan yung full name niya kasi medyo nakakalito. Pero yeah, I was pleasantly surprised by these tints. Kasi usually, takot ako pag sinabi mong tint. Dahil lang usually drying or yung mga parang sinisip niya talaga yung moisture sa lips ko. But no, ito, parang velvety yung finish niya. Para siyang mga lip mousse. Pero it's staining. So, meron siyang staying power. So yeah, I like this. And my favorite shade is Zinnia. Tapos minimix ko with Breath if I want a little bit more brown. I love it. As in, nagulat talaga ako. Kasi pinadala lang talaga nila yan sa akin and I wasn't expecting anything. Pero, super nice pagka gumagawa ako ng mga glam looks. Kahit anong look actually na medyo gusto ko mag-last yung lip product sa lips ko, I go for the tints from Forencos. And yun na! Those are my favorites for this month and the last month also. I didn't want to put too much products in it kasi syempre, we have to keep it down lang. Pero meron pa naman ako ibang products na nagustuhan din, but these are products na mas ginamit ko talaga, mas parang at the top of my head. Yan yung mga lagi ko ginagamit the past few weeks. So yeah, I just wanted to share them with you para if you're looking for new products to add into your makeup and skincare collection, these are my recommendations. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like it para ma-help nyo i-boost yung video. And subscribe kung hindi pa kayo subscribe. So, yeah. Bye! Thank you for watching!